Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Myanmar for tourism purposes. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this official Myanmar e-visa. So the very first thing I would recommend is go to FAQ, because most of the questions that you have and any particular things like about payment, passport and all process, it all can be clarified here, most of them. Okay. So once you are ready, click on apply visa and you go for new application, then go for new application. We are going for tourism. So we'll go for this and go for next. Okay. All right. So it has given the fee also. Okay. How much you need to pay. So when you come here for the first time and you don't have an account, click on register account. So I'm going to put your name, password, country, phone code, security validation, and email and click on register. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So what happens is that the system does send an email verification to your email account where you have to click on the link to get it verified, and then you can log in because your account is officially activated. And once you get in, this is the screen that you see. So here, what you need to do is like you need to select the new application. So as you can say, new tourist visa, new business visa, whichever is your intention. For the purpose of this video, let's go for this one. Okay, so as you can see, it is fee is already populated and step 5. So nationality, do it as per your own case. Any information you select here, make sure you check it at least 2 times. Okay, because many people do slight errors and then they struggle a lot. Oh my god, how to fix it and all. So any information you enter 2 times. Okay. Ah, I don't know why I'm so bad in this. Okay, perfect. So we are in step 2, application passport. You should check your passport expiry date. I'm just putting sample, you do as per your own case. Passport issuing country, full name. Again, I'm always telling you, and I'm telling you repeatedly, check it, check your passport. Don't just do it blindly, because a slight mistake would just ruin your plans. And these details should match with your passport, otherwise you know the consequences. Permanent address, of course you know your address. I'm just putting sample. Postal code, contact number, simple guys. Are you traveling as part of a tour group or package? If yes, provide the information. Children, if any children traveling with you, nobody for in our case, so I'll just ignore it. Oh, address in Myanmar, I'm sorry. So let's say you book the hotel. So if you have done your booking already, like hotel, Airbnb, or with someone else, you know that information, right? Next is upload your picture, passport, hotel booking, return trip. Okay, return ticket, trip plan. If point of entry is this, yeah, and they haven't given any additional documents. Next is to just confirm and make the payment. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.